Welcome back everyone. In our last session, we built a sponsor brand VCPM campaign designed to boost brand awareness. Today we are shifting the focus. This time we are creating a CPC based sponsor brand video campaign that's optimized for driving clicks. Let's dive right in. So number one, create your campaign. First click on the create campaign and select sponsor brands. So now let's set it up. Set campaign name to something clear like SB converting keyword CPC video exact. So set the start date, which is today, and set daily budget to something optimal. I'm setting it to $30. So number two, select your goal. In the goal section, choose driving page visit. By selecting this, we will be charged per click instead of impressions, so it is more performance driven. So the next part is create your ad group. Rename the ad group SB converting keyword CPC video exact. Now for the ad format, we are going with video again because it is still one of the highest converting formats. So the next step is choose your landing page. For the campaign, I want my traffic to go directly to my product page, detail page. So in the landing page selection, choose product detail page and then select the specific product you want to advertise. So you will see an option for aim to keep average CPC near your target. What this does is dynamically adjust your bids to get the most clicks possible while trying to stay close to your target CPC. For now, I am leaving this unchecked so I have a full control over my bids. So campaign bids adjustment is the next part. In the campaign bid adjustment, I'm selecting do not increase bids for an audience. We will keep it simple for now. So now for targeting, select keyword targeting here. Add your top 5 performing keywords for the campaign and select only exact match for better control. And just a reminder, if you don't know how to find your best keywords, we will have a full video keyword research using our keyword master tool. Link is in the description. Now it is time to build the ad. Set ad name SB converting keyword CPC video exact. Add your video, review all the details to make sure they look good. Once everything is set, click submit for review, and that's it. You have just created a sponsored brand CPC video campaign. So all right, that wraps up this tutorial. In the next video, we will be diving into sponsored display campaign. I will explain how they work, where your ads will appear, and walk you through setting one up step by step. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.